Hi guys, hope you're well. Hi YouTubers. I thought I'd quickly throw a video up today within a company I have been building in the last probably about say 8 or 9 months now. It's going very well. I'm actually building this as well as an affiliate, and also I have been training on this company as well and making good return investments, learning how to trade. I have been trading for roughly about say 2 or 3 years anyway with other platforms. But I'm very interested in iCoinPro because it's working very well. And plus, I can actually build a reasonable team with it and make a good return on investment in that way as well. But the beauty about this company, you don't have to surrender your funds and the company disappears. Basically, what this company is, it teaches you how to trade correctly and properly without using losing your shirt. With crypto trading, at the end of the day, it is a risk, and no matter what you do within trading, if it's stocks or if you're doing gold or silver or whatever, it's always a gamble. But with this company, iCoinPro, it teaches you the best way and the fundamental way of trading safely, and you're in control of your own funds. Okay, basically, you learn and earn crypto trading with crypto iCoinPro. So iCoinPro is the number one in my advice and my experience within this industry. Okay, guys. Meanwhile, I will go through what I'm doing at the moment. With this company, I have been trading every day, every 2 or 3 days as well, because in the day it's a lifestyle as well. And plus, I am promoting this as a business as well. So I'm getting two bites of the cherry, so to speak. And but guys, the beauty about this company, that when you actually sign up for free, you get a free boot camp. It teaches you how to trade straight off the bat, so which is really good. It's a gift from the company, but believe you me, it's well worth looking into, guys. It really is. We have a very good forum, which we all meet up and we express our opinions with what's happening with the crypto market and the coins we're choosing. And the beauty about this company is what I really like it is the actual trading portal, which is this. It's all built into the actual platform, because how we make the money within trading this company, while trading with iCoinPro, is we actually use a portal, and it's a portal. It tells you all over the internet, all the exchanges, where the dips are happening, because that's how we make our money. Buy the dips and then make money on the top. Okay, we do have a free bootcamp which explains this as well. There's a free membership and there's also a paid membership. I won't go through that at the moment. I'm just showing you what the business is about. And the great thing about it, for example, this is a platform here, a portal. For example, I'll give you a quick example. It fluctuates every 10-15 minutes. It tells you where you can get a good trade. Because in the day, if you didn't have this little portal, you'd be scouring all the exchanges, find the best way to trade. This is a brilliant way of actually finding where to trade. It's all in the videos we offer, and it's a free boot camp as well as a gift. If you sign up below, my links below, just please just come in and join us and enjoy a free platform. But meanwhile, going back to this portal, so for example, if I wanted to find a trade, I go to Trade Finder, and it's scouring across the internet now, all the exchanges, and then what's happened is giving me coins here. So basically, I can choose the coins. It's showing me the volume of the coins. For example, let's say OG I click on that, click on the chart, and it appears here. Okay, and I can actually see what's happening. This is all built in, guys. Because what happens is with iCoinPro, we do have TradingView bolted on, but straight into the actual platform. So you're getting all this instead of paying another subscription to a TradingView. You're getting all this basically within the platform, which is going to save you a few bob. Okay. So basically, if I want to look at this coin, I'm very happy with this coin. So right, I'm happy with trading this coin because it's on the portal here. I'm showing where it's dipping. Once it dips to a certain point, okay, as per the training, I will get in the trade, okay, and you can make very good returns on investment. And the beauty about it is, guys, you're in control of your funds, nobody else, okay. And also, if you did sign up below, you will be brought to this page here. Sign up for free. They bring you to the actual platform itself, and you will get a free boot camp. Okay, guys. Meanwhile, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Matt Feast. Take care and have a great day. Happy days.